A salad in the Valdosta is very different than what you would find in other parts of Italy. Because for this salad, we're starting off with peppers, sweet bell peppers, and you can use either red or yellow. And you take the peppers, you put them on a bake sheet, and you bake them in the oven, or you could do this on a grill outside. You want to blacken them until you can take the skin off of the peppers. You want to peel the skin, so you're roasting the peppers. Once they're blackened all over like this, then what I like to do is put them in a paper bag and let the peppers kind of cool down in the paper bag so that you can get the skin off very easily. So you take all the skin off, and this, if you're going to do this for a party, you can do this ahead of time. Pull out that core like that, and then open the pepper up, cut it up, and you want to take all those seeds out. So I just dump them in the sink. Get all the seeds out. Don't rinse them, because rinsing them will take away the flavor of the pepper. Just really scrape the seeds out with your hand. And then you want to dry them off some, because you're going to make this, you're going to make a vinaigrette, and you want the vinaigrette to really adhere. So dry off the pepper somewhat, and then you can cut them. There's a few more seeds there that I want to get rid of. Okay. Then you want to cut them up into strips, and you could do a combination of red and yellow pepper, would be very nice. Cut them up into strips, and I did some a little earlier for you. So there is a nice bowl of yellow peppers. So that goes in like that. Now, we're going to give that a little color with some green olives in brine, large green olives like Cerignola olives. We took the pit out and we just coarsely chopped them. So green olive goes in. Isn't that pretty? Beautiful to look at. And then, of course, we need Fontina cheese. So here we have some Fontina cheese going in. And we're going to just toss that around now, because we're going to make a dressing for this. And the dressing is a little different because it shows the French influence in the Valdosta. And it's going to start with walnut oil. It was interesting to research this area and find out that they like to use walnut oil in this area. And I think I've got to open up this because it's still got the little ticket in there. I do that all the time. Let me take that out. So we want a half a cup of walnut oil. Half a cup, that's about a half a cup. So we have walnut oil, and we have mustard. So here's about a tablespoon of Dijon mustard. So now you see where that French influence comes in by the use of the Dijon mustard, which comes from, obviously, Dijon in France. So you whisk that up really, really well. Get that mixed up well. And add a little bit of salt and just a touch of pepper. Really whisk that well. And then the last thing, you make this salad dressing just before you're going to serve this. And then the last thing you want to do is add another French influence here, but also something that you would find in the Valdosta because of all the dairy products, heavy cream. So we're adding about 2 tablespoons of heavy cream into our dressing. So you really want to get that all well blended. And that's our dressing. And when it is nice and thick looking like that, well, that's when you pour it over the salad. So here's our beautiful salad. You put the dressing over the top. Look at how gorgeous this is. Wow. So why have a lettuce salad every day? Have this. And then toss gently. Get it all tossed beautifully with the olives, the cheese, the peppers, and the beautiful dressing. And that is a salad Valdostana.